For you, all you need is a smartphone that can take a video and you go live. If you're baking, show us how you bake. If you're a sportsman, show us how you run, how you play football. That's what we want to watch. While watching that, we are going to start following you. We're going to start, making your business benefit out of that. So I don't know how many clients I got from social media. Actually, most of the clients that I have, I found them on Facebook, on TikTok, on all these social media platforms where I am. They contact me from there and then we start doing business. So that does not limit me to Pretoria where I am now, which means I can help you from Cape Town. I can help you from KZN. So I have clients all over the country because I'm not limiting myself to my village or my township.
All that you are saying is there is power in how you use social media to build your company.
Exactly.
And your brand.
And the thing is, how much time do you spend on social media per day? Either you're going to be consuming content or you're going to be creating content. That's what you're going to be doing on social media. So you cannot be a consumer on social media and be a consumer also in real life. Because that's what we are. We're consumers. Consume everything. When the minute you have money, YouTube gives you money, then you're like, oh, where do I spend it? A lot of times, people will not buy these cameras that you bought. They'll buy alcohol. They'll buy all these things. They will go entertain friends to show them that, I'm getting money from YouTube now. But you compromised a lot of expenses that you could be busy with, and then you said, I'm going to buy a Canon camera. I'm going to buy this. I'm going to buy my light. That is compromising. You're buying assets, and now you're sitting in your own studio that you don't own. And it's because you invested in this and you thought of the assets instead of the expenses.
You know what's nice about it is that I always tell people that there's nothing that I don't know where to find in this studio. Because I never sent anybody.
No, you did it yourself.
Anything that is in the studio, I'll tell you where you can point anything.
Yes.
And no matter how small it is, I'll tell you this one.
Yeah.
I bought it there. The price was this.
And that how does that feel? The feeling, man.
Something else, it's very fulfilling. It's very fulfilling when you walk into your own office studio and you feel very comfortable. Even with the way how it looks, you feel very comfortable.
Yes. And that's your product. That's your own thing that you created for yourself. And you envision it and you create it. And by the way, the motto of our company is envisioning the future. So Uronga Holdings envisioning the future. Even the logo itself talks about that because it's a moon that is penetrating a circle. So we are penetrating, we're opening up the future. We're envisioning the future. And that is why we said to ourselves, we are not going to be that accountant at the corner of the street where the local guys who are having bakeries and everything go there and get business. We are not going to be confined in South Africa because we have clients who are Kenyan, who have businesses in Kenya. We have clients who are in UK. We don't limit ourselves. Why should we limit ourselves when the world is open?
So it's very interesting what you're saying because I want to attest here. I find you on TikTok.
Yeah.
I basically followed, because on TikTok, you're right. You're speaking about this thing of understanding your social media, using it to your advantage.
Yes.
So on TikTok, what I normally do, I created a new TikTok account and I was like, here, I want to follow anything that has got to do with business. I want my algorithm to speak to business, nothing else.
Yes.
So that's basically how I found you on TikTok. So it is true. When I then came across one of your video, then I was like, I want to go into the profile. I want to see what they talk about in this profile. Because I can't invite a person who has 2-3 videos, but the rest of the videos has nothing to do with the business. So then when I looked at the profile, and I was like, hey, there's something on this profile. There's something on this profile. So you look, I just want to attest here that surely, indeed, I myself found you because of your social media.
Yes. And that is one thing that people don't realize. People watch social media so much. There's a guy called Ontatile. His company is Digital Nix Code. He's a self-taught programmer. IT guru. I mean, everyone wants him. This guy went through a very bad patch in his life where he was scammed his apps and stuff by a certain country in Africa, a certain company in one of our African countries, and he lost
The
millions.
famous country which is known of scamming people, ne?
Yeah. So so you can go watch that on our YouTube, the Financial Literacy Corner. He's going to be will premiere him not long, maybe before December. But this boy, same thing as you going to our TikTok. He goes into TikTok, he's just browsing, he comes across the live, and then we're talking about business compliance. He stays there, he's like, this is exactly why I went into trouble, because even SARS went after him after that. Because they saw money coming in, though he didn't even benefit out of that money because it has to be paid back to whoever. So he's now giving up. He has given up. He's sitting at home. He has given up. He's just browsing on his phone. He comes across the live and then he's, okay, let me watch. See other business people talking and all that. He's like, okay, I'll come back and watch again. On a Thursday, he comes back and it's a motivational Thursday. We have what we call motivational Thursday. And there's a lady called Be Happy who has done it all. She has lost millions. She came back, and she's making it in life. She's farming. She's doing all these things. She has products. But this guy now is watching and he's like, yo, I'm interested. And when you're being interested, something says to him, request a mic, come up. Then he goes up and then, guys, I'm Digital Nix. I do IT and all this, I program. And then BAP says to her, oh, okay, so you do programming. Now you can create something, that can work for all of us as small business. He said, yes, I always had an idea of starting an online mall. Then I said, but no, man, you cannot talk about an online mall because 4 or 5 years ago, I think that was before COVID, around 2017, I even brought around 50 business people together and say, let's start an online mall. Because small businesses cannot afford to go to these big malls. Then let's start an online mall where every small business can just rent a space there. And then if you want to go buy, you just go on your app and then you buy whatever you want to buy. Then this guy said, no, don't worry, guys. I'm going to create that thing now. I said, okay, be busy with it. He didn't sleep that day. He created a place called bizmall.co.za. If you go now on YouTube, on Google, you can go search bizmall.co.za. It is there and small businesses are registering themselves.
Aye.
So this bizmall is a South African product and the funny thing about that bizmall is that he created beyond what I thought. Because now, he even allow you to come in and say, Mina, I'm Bongani. I'm just going to do what? I'm just going to sell for you guys. And you give me 10% commission. So I just go around talking about wrong accountants and all these companies. And then when a person says, you know what, I want to buy, I register that person on the mall and say, hey, there's a client. If the client buys, 10% is mine. So all these things are happening on the live. And this guy was thinking, you know what, I'm just an ordinary guy in the township. I can't do much. But within a week, this guy has created an app that can be used by any small business in the country. And guess what? He only charges 20 rand per month to be on the app. You see? So, and that is, for me, that was amazing. And I never thought the live would bring a person like that.
Tell me something.
Yeah.
You, not others. I'm talking about you. How do you feel about the things that you have achieved using your online platform so far?
I'm humbled.
How do you feel about it?
I'm humbled. I'm excited. I think I'm living my purpose now. I have been shying away from this for a very long time. And when your purpose is there, it will find you, eh? You can try to run away from it, but you can't run away from that. Because then, now, if you look at what has happened, if you just come and join us once in a while just to see what we do there, you will be amazed by the testimonies of small businesses. Because one thing that you must know, small businesses have one problem. Not money, entrepreneurship skills. They lack entrepreneurship skills. You can give them 3 million now. They'll go spend it on something that is not going to make the business grow. There are businesses that have been funded and they are all out now, most of them.